Well, from cleaning up after your pets to carving pumpkins and making it mess-free, we've got several products to really help you fall into the holidays. Lifestyle advisor Don McCarthy is back to show us. It's always good to have you. When I say fall, we are falling back on Sunday with daylight savings.
But before we do that, first up, I have Fresh Patch. And you can even see my little Josie down there, who's actually leaving right now. But you may have even seen this product on Shark Tank. So I'm going to pull this out down here for you. So this is real hydroponically grown grass for your dog, maybe your cat, or maybe your bunny with these little ones that they have. They come in 4 convenient sizes. And again, it's truly the #1 Real Grass Dog Potty out there on the market. I love it. Like I said, it's really good for all kinds of things. And it's real grass. And it's grown out here in Ventura, California, which is so nice. It's great for enrichment for pets. And again, you can order a subscription. You can just get one. They come in all different sizes as well. They come in small, medium, and large. So those are really quick. Now, and they're odorless and all that kind of stuff. So you don't have to worry about it. Yes, it smells like grass. It smells good. But speaking of smells, I've got the Air Wick Essential Mist. So I picked this one up here at Walmart. So this is a portable diffuser, Amy. So you're going to turn it on, and it's going to light up, and then all of a sudden a little mist is going to come out. So it's perfectly gift ready. It's easy. It's thoughtful surprise for maybe somebody on your list. It's really, really easy to take with you.
Like I said, you can put it anywhere in your house.
Yes, and I picked mine up at Walmart, but they're at retailers nationwide. In Air Wick Essential Mist, it's going to transform into that like really inviting area into your home. It's going to elevate it during the holidays, and they have a range of fragrances. They've got the Apple Cinnamon that I think you can see there. They've got a fresh Pine and Juniper, and they've got a Ripe Cranberry Currant. And again, I love this. This is kind of also that white elephant gift that you can give to somebody really affordable, or the hostess gift maybe at Thanksgiving time. So you can get those. Next, I've also got a critically acclaimed author. This is Jack Cashman. This is his latest book, The Democracy, The Final Nail. And he's also been known for, he's, like I said, a critically acclaimed author in Irish, Immigrant Story, and American Valor was actually on the Amazon bestseller list. But The Final Nail basically just explains the details over the past 40 years, transforming our democracy and the principles that we have today from our founding fathers. I found it really interesting. It's a great read and really something you should try. Because it is gift season, I have something for our golfers out there. This is Drop Not Golf. So if you don't know what to get the golfer in your life, so one thing that golfers love is their head covers. But what happens a lot when they're out in their golf carts, they may fly out, and some of these cost $100 to $1,000. No more problem with Drop Not Golf. You're going to attach this part to your golf bag, and look, you'll just attach it, and it's never going to fall off your favorite. You know, you've got your putters, you've got your woods, anything on here, you'll just put them on, and it's not going to go anywhere.
Which is good.
And again, these are under $15 for a pack of 2. You can even get those on Amazon as well. And again, people that love to golf love their head covers. And this is something really, really great to have. Next, I'm going to have something else that was also on Shark Tank. This is Halloween Moments. So Amy's putting it on right now, but you're going to want to get this at Amazon. So in this pack here that he's showing you comes 2 gloves. They've got one for the adult, and they've got one for the child. And this
I have the adult one, right?
You've got the adult one. This is the pumpkin glove scraper, and this is truly the ultimate solution for mess-free carving. So you're going to stick your hand in there, Amy, and you're going to scrape off all of those guts and gooey things inside. They're
slimy. Very nice. It has the nice little scraper here, and it's easy, and you don't even get your sleeves dirty.
And why I said Amazon, there's been a lot of people trying to knock this off, and so you definitely want to make sure you go to the one that says, as seen on Shark Tank. Again, these are under $25. You're going to have to start carving now because Halloween is on Friday. See how it all comes out?
But you know, a lot of us get our pumpkins very late in the season. We wait so it doesn't dry out, so it still looks good on Friday.
They're
so this is perfect.
Reusable, dishwasher safe. Again, I love it. You can use it even maybe for some spaghetti squash for people that like to cook. But I love that it comes in a little 2-pack. And again, it's just really mess-free cleaning. It makes it so easy because I hate that part of a pumpkin carving. So we've got a little something with the holidays so close. Little gifting options, the golfer. We're ready. We're starting.
We are ready. We have to face the music. The holidays are here. Don, thank you so much. It's always good to have you here. And for more information about Don McCarthy and all of the products that you've just been seeing here, just go to our website, cbsla.com, and click Seen on TV.